Hello and welcome to Worldwide Campus News and Entertainment. Today we're going to make spaghetti carbonara. First things first, I already heat up the non-stick skillet. Also, I have the water over the pot that we need to cook the pasta. What I have in a large bowl, I'm going to combine 3 large eggs, have that at room temperature. We're going to break all the eggs first. We use the whisk. I'm going to use a word of 4 teaspoons of kosher salt, and I'm going to use it with ground black pepper. I think this is about a half teaspoon or so. Just keep whisking over. And I'm just going to switch these from the wire whisk. We're going to put it in 2 cups of Pecorino, Romano, or Parmesan. I'm going to use the one with the shredded. You could use Grater that you have in the house. I'm just going to fold that right in. Use it with a rubber spatula. Just want that real coated. And we're just going to set this for momentarily. We got the water just boiled up. I turn it on high and I salt the water. Let's throw in 16 ounces of spaghetti. You just want to cook the pasta according to directions on the back of the box or the packet. Going to make sure it's al dente. Or you can tenderizing the pasta. I'm going to keep an eye on it. And I have here over medium heat. Let's put 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Just we're going to swirl around. And we have the pasta has been already cooked through. Real quick. Now we're going to throw in pancetta. I have this one for the boar's head. One of the branding, it has with diced, uncured pancetta. This is only about 4 ounces of those. You know, pancetta, it has with the Italian for bacon. We're going to pop this right in. We're going to let this pancetta nice and crisp. So we're going to leave the oil on. And I can see the pancetta is almost getting nice and crisp. You can also try with Guanciale. It's spelled like Guanciale. Those bacon is almost getting crisp. So once that crisp it over, you can go ahead and add the pasta. Has been already drained. And just going to toss it, use it with the tongs. And I'm just going to use where the pasta water has been already reserved as I need it for it. Just keep tossing, use it with the tongs. And now you can go ahead and add those eggs and cheese combos. And I'm just going to melt it right in. Here we go. It just all melted with the cheeses and the eggs that has scrambled up for the pasta. Once you've done that, you can go ahead and remove from the heat. Alright, let's just plate it up. You can see there is all the pancetta, the eggs and cheeses. It's just like scrambled eggs. I'm giving you guys a really closer look. This has been already finished. Now you can also sprinkle some fresh parsley, or you can sprinkle some more of the Parmesan cheese. It is up to you. And you have a finished spaghetti carbonara. If you're interested for more recipes, write down in the comments below if you want to see something. Make sure to view all videos you watch before sharing. Subscribe to my channel, click the bell to see all notifications about the new videos and the latest video, and don't forget to smash that like button. As always, bon appetito!